my girlfriend's baby shower. She is awesome. She did a phenomenal job.
Thank you.
And we go back from since college. We were roommates. Yes. And she was slim. Now she has booty. Show. Get the no. Let me go. She's cute. And she's got cute friends too. Hi. Alright, you guys, so I just got finished the baby shower and it was so much fun. It was so cute. If I ever plan a baby shower for anybody, or for myself, I don't know. I have some great ideas from that. So I'm really liking what she did. My girlfriend put a lot of effort into it for her daughter's baby shower. So yep, now I got a long drive. I think I'm gonna hit the mall up. It's a little rainy, so I'm about to get off of this and just pay attention, but nobody's out on the road right now. So, but you guys, thanks for coming with me to this little baby shower. It's really cute. And make sure you watch some of my videos. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and holler at me, comment, and I'll see you next time. Bye.